Hi guys, this is Lars Pearson here with MarineMax in Ship Bottom, New Jersey, and I'm standing on the brand new Sailfish 276 dual console we just got here on the lot. I'm standing in the transom of this boat. I'm going to be going through all the features on here, showing you how it's a great fishing platform and also great with the family. So right here I'm in this spacious cockpit in the back. You got the starboard seat folded up and the stern seat folded up. This way I got all this fishing room. I have rod holders all across the back, as well as a live well here on the port transom of this boat. While I'm back here, I will point out it's powered by twin 200 Mercuries. These are the white upgrade on here. Looks great with the deep blue hull on the side. Back here on the port, we have a nice cooler in the back, so this way if you're out at the sandbar, you can put some drinks in there. You don't even have to get up in the boat to get your next drink. It's a great feature. And you have a boarding ladder here on your starboard side, and then a transom remote that will do your stereo. Again, you don't have to get up in the boat, walk across the boat while you're at the sandbar having a good time to change your station. This seat here folds out real easily. You can see the back raises up. You got a great backrest back here. And then you got your ski tow bar here. This flips up. No one else does it like Sailfish does on this. And then it disappears when you don't need it, rather than carrying a big pole or anything around with you or having to stow it. You do have a fish box in the starboard floor here. And then a great feature of this boat is the port dive door. This is great for getting on and off the boat. There's a retractable ladder that is stowed away. I'll show you where that is in a minute. And if you're at a floating dock, seamless entrance and exit to the boat. Now moving up here, this is a massive hard top I'm under. There's a ton of shade this provides. You have your life jacket storage here. You have speakers in the hard top as well as courtesy lights, and again more rod holders. So you have a ton of rod holders on this boat for when you go out fishing. And then now we're getting up into more of that family stuff that you're going to go do out in the family after you spend the morning fishing. So on the starboard side here you get a seat, storage under there, nice little wet bar sink. This flips up, and two cup holders. On this port side, this is a changeable seat here. Got multiple positions so you can lounge back. One thing I like about this is if you do strike patrol and you're out there, you can lounge back on this and watch your lines while someone else is driving. You can lounge back here and eat, drink, and have a good time. Storage under here. This one's actually an insulated box that drains. So built-in cooler. This will also fold all the way flat too, so you can just completely lay out. But under here is storage. You have a removable cooler in here, and then you're going to find your boarding ladder that goes to your dive door. Now at the helm here, you have a nice captain's chair with flip up, flip down armrests and a flip down bolster. So you sit sitting down or sit a little elevated. Your mercury controls, a nice chart plotter that'll also do your fish finding, and your mercury gauges and all your switching. Now before I head up to the bow of the boat, I will point out two nice features here. This is a massive head area for this size boat. I actually have the bow filler cushion stored there right now, so it's in there, but you will get a sink in here and then a nice head and a nice little glove box here on top. I have my wallet, keys, and phone in here. Very safe place for it while running the boat. Now going up into the bow, you'll see I stepped by this windshield. This is great protection. When you're out here, it's a beautiful September day out here, but it'll get a little chilly when you get up and running. So you got this windshield that'll close, as well as this wind door. So it'll keep you way warmer out here in these colder months. And again, up here in the bow, they carried this beam so far forward, you get a ton of space. So, and under all these seats here, you do have a ton of storage. So that one actually goes all the way back up under the helm. Then you have storage up under here, as well as this front seat. You have two large storage areas, one on the floor, one in the bow, and one in the cockpit, the ski locker there. Stainless steel grab bar for safety, nice touch for when people are riding up here, and pull-up cleats all around, so you get nothing snagged when you're running or you're fishing. They'll be down, out of the way. And then you have a windlass up under here, as well as a flip-up bow light. Again, guys, as you can see through this walkthrough, this is a great family boat and a great fishing platform that'll get it all done in one boat. So you have one boat that'll do the whole weekend for you. If you're interested in it, or any other boat we have here at MarineMax on Long Beach Island, give us a call at 609-494-2102. Thanks.